Exclusive, a national minimum wage bill is stuck in Congress and a lawmaker claims economic managers are blocking it, allegedly with influence from Executive Secretary Ralph Recto. Isaiah Mirafuentes reports.
Currently pending in the House of Representatives is House Bill 8081, or the National Minimum Wage Act filed by Kamanggagawa Party List Representative Ellie San Fernando. It aims to establish a uniform wage across all regions and abolish the regional wage boards to implement a national minimum wage. But in an exclusive interview with Billionaire News Channel, San Fernando admitted that the bill now appears unlikely to progress under the current administration. The proposal has already been approved at the House committee level, but it's stalled at second reading in the plenary, despite being supported by House Speaker Bo J.D. and around 200 lawmakers. This is allegedly due to opposition from economic managers who are said to be influenced by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto.
Malinaw na malinaw sa labor organizations, labor groups, that economic managers, including now Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, oppose. No, tutol sila sa anumang pag-uusap tungkol sa pagtataas ng sahod at anumang pag-uusap tungkol sa paraan o sistema ng pagtatakda ng sahod. So yan ang malaking problema natin.
The lawmakers expressed confusion as to why Recto appears to have influence over the economic managers and why even the House has failed to act on the measure.
If you are the executive secretary, definitely you hold that much political weight. Whatever you say holds much political weight.
San Fernando also said he was able to speak with Majority Leader Sandro Marcos, who is also the chairperson of the House Committee on Rules. The president's son is said to support the measure, but the economic managers remain opposed. He now questions why Executive Secretary Recto seems to have a stronger voice compared to the president himself.
Kasi kung ako presidente, kahit pa ayaw ng economic managers yan, kahit pa sinabi ni Executive Secretary na ayaw ko lumusot yan, kung meron akong pakialam, meron akong pagmamahal sa mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino, I'm the president. Baliktarin ko yung gusto nila.
San Fernando believes one possible reason is that PBBM may be protecting votes from Region 4A, where Recto is located. In a message from Executive Secretary Recto to Billionaire News Channel, he said that the business community and economic managers should also be invited to the House hearings, as they are the ones who believe the proposal is a bad idea. Isaiah Mirafuentes, Abante.